Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to keep about ax plus b on the denominator. Later that we do first derivative of ax plus b on numerator. First derivative of ax, first derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we just have a. This is about the constant. So if we do first derivative, you got about 0. So we have 8 over ax plus b. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.